I'm McEvoy, the Plaid Cymru AM for South Wales Central. I'm back in Grangetown and I'm stood in front of an empty all-weather pitch. Now, this is a Sunday afternoon, it's peak time, and kids are desperate to play on this surface, to just have a kick around. And it's £39. Now, last week I invited the sports minister to come down with me and have a look at this and see if we could do something about pricing, and he didn't take me up on the invitation. But he did take up the invitation of a free ticket in France to see Wales play. So on social media now, I'll re-extend the invitation to the sports minister to come down to Grangetown and take a look at this at peak time, not being used because it's too expensive. I'm asking him to work with me to get something done to get facilities like this all over Wales used so children and other people can play sport. Okay? Neil McEvoy, Plaid Cymru, Assembly Member, South Wales Central. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.